Here's the app called Face the Video Bible. Start watching the Bible. Pretty high in ratings, this app. What is Face? It's a video Bible app. It's the only app where you can watch Bible stories. With Face, you can talk with the Bible, chat with it, listen to it, and now you can watch the Bible. Experience the Bible like never before. Find true connection with God. Multi-language support, guide the spiritual growth, instant answers, and chat support your spiritual companion. So that's the idea of the app, and then you can just open it up. Here is the onboarding. I'll just show you. So here is monthly plan or annual plan, and then you need to upgrade. So add free, chat, cancel, but unfortunately they don't have any free version in here. So yeah, in case you just wanna take a look at it, that's kind of what it is. Kind of like TikTok with the Bible, a lot of like video Bible stories, but unfortunately it's all locked under subscription. So that's what it is.